Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to save Reels video in Instagram to the gallery. First of all, open up the web browser. Here search or download. Then tap to open its site. Once you get into its site, click on Get Shortcut. Then tap on Setup Shortcut and click on Add Shortcut. Now go into Shortcuts. After that, open up Instagram and go into Explore icon. Click to play a random video in here, then tap on the share icon from the video. Then tap on Share to and share the video with our download. Press Allow to provide our download access. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.